If you're looking for a compact personal safety device that doubles as an everyday tool, this TEKRKEJ rechargeable stun gun with LED flashlight combines security and utility in one portable keychain. Measuring at just 2.95 inch by 1.6 inches and weighing only 70 grams, it's designed for discreet carry on your keychain, in a purse or pocket. The device features a high voltage charge to help deter potential threats, plus an LED flashlight with 3 modes: steady, strobe, and spotlight. See if we can try that. So there is a switch that toggles between LED and stun. So middle position is LED. Okay, there it is. So that's this button here. This bottom button enables the LED feature. Okay. So it does include a safety switch, which is this button here, to prevent accidental activation, and charges via USB cable without needing disposable battery. Here's your USB port. It uses a USB micro or micro USB, which does come in the kit. So in the box, you have a charging cable here, USB-A to USB-C, a keychain, and an instruction manual. It does come with a 90-day warranty and is ideal for commutes, outdoor activities, or emergency situations.